It's your boy, Famous Animal TV, plug to the streets, man. You trying to get your shit in the streets? Need you to come holler at me. Who I got in the building with me?
Trigga Blu, man, the motherfucking toe tagger, what you my?
Real talk, my boy, back again.
Yeah, back again, like what, the third or fourth time? I keep coming back,
Real
man.
talk. Where you coming from now?
Man, right now, shit, I really been down in town for like a couple of days, but I'm really finna board a flight in 2 hours, man. I just come stop and holler at you, drop some real hustler shit for these folks.
State to state with that
man.
shit.
State to state.
Real talk.
I chopped the curls off, man. Now I'm rocking something else called the toe tagger. You see me like, what this is a toe tagger.
Real. So like last interview, just a quick breakdown. You didn't already have one with major labels. You been doing your thing state to state. What progression, have you made since you then?
Man, I done rub shows with a lot of people, man. What I've been doing, I've been mainly networking. So I've been building genuine bonds. I could have paid for features with it with a lot of motherfuckers. I'm heavy in the streets. Everything clarity, VVs, bust down, no cap. But I'd rather build a mutual bond of street niggas so I can vibe with street niggas and the music come later. But right now I'm just learning the game, make sure I get paid for whatever I put out. I got a huge catalog, so if you want me, hear me, come check this shit out. What you might.
Real talk. What's your recent shit you done dropped since last time?
Man, the most recent shit I did, that freestyle I dropped with you, that no plug, that bitch going crazy on Apple Music, Spotify, Tidal, all major platforms. That bitch doing stupid.
Real talk.
Real talk.
Most definitely. Real talk. You shot a video to it?
Yeah, I shot a video in Hollywood Hills right there on Sunset Boulevard.
Man, you shot that motherfucker in Hollywood.
Yeah, I had mine. Flew Solo Lucci. I shot the Solo Lucci. He fucked with me. He came through supporting me. Shout out Money Reese, Bishop Burr, my nigga P3, Bag Baby. It's a lot of motherfuckers, man. Shout out to the whole toe tag family.
Real talk.
Y'all know it's a real cartel. Y'all don't know about it.
Real
what
talk.
You might?
My boy been doing it, popping this shit.
Yes,
so they heard the last shit. You got some more hot shit for me?
Yeah, I got some more hot shit. I'm just finna come out the dome with something. They go jump on the jet.
Real talk. Hey, let me hear that shit then, nigga.
So no more.
There you go.
Toe tagger. What you might?
Damn.
I don't
all this shit in the streets, man.
Standing in the kitchen with Lil' Hen, he cooking up a juice. Tried selling hard, but I was better at that dog food. Feeling all leave, no taste, ni drain, but it's gon' knock him out. Bricks are tarted, shiny kind, I could've built a marble. Legit to the set, flew with bows and I issued them out. 50 bows at new crib, it's taller, watch us break them down. Been in love with guns, now I got funds, I'm quick to break them out. Beams on his face, red dots look like he breaking out. Sweating hard through TSA off a perk 20 in the Yella bar. Exotics in my luggage, get them gone before they hit the job. 240K gross pay in 4 months, still ain't bought a car. Backwoods, but now they're Russian cream, I don't really like cigars. Bitches fuck, I came so far, remember stealing silver out the change jar. How I get here, play my role and fix something you ain't good at. Remember knocking niggas down for fun and my money do that. So many shells hit the ground, sound like a tambourine. Church on Sunday, quite full of shooters, they let them switches sing. RIPs, ricochet, fragment flying several ways. In it block like Beyblades, pay for collect calls in 3-way. My money long enough to buy a case, so I won't hesitate. Hope to see me shine, it's like Macy they face. 2 switches in my hand, the F and N on my waist. Man, my cellular never bun. At the process, I'm making bun. Flew with 20 bowls, so cuz the load, he couldn't believe it. Told cuz I'm well connected with growers, fuck a state tax. Versace shoes, no Vapor Max. Burberry hats, no snapback. Standing in the kitchen with Lil' Hen, he cooking up his juice. Trying selling hard, but I was better at that dog food. Finna all leave, no taste, ni drain, but it's gon' knock him out. Bricks are tarted, shiny kind, I could've built a marble. Legit to the set, flew with bows and I issued them out. 50 bows at new crib, it's taller, watch us break them down. Been in love with guns, now I got funds, I'm quick to break them out. Beams on his face, red dots look like he breaking out. Toe tagger.